Prescription drug costs continue to rise, and it's driving up health insurance rates. 22 News reporter Tamara Zakarzik found out 2 reasons why pharmaceuticals are so expensive.
Well, the Joint Committee on Healthcare Financing met this afternoon to go over the cost and value of pharmaceutical drugs.
How do you actually pay for innovation?
More new drug approvals indicate innovation in the healthcare industry. Developing new drugs is very expensive, which drives health insurance costs higher. But it's not the only thing.
2 of the major cost drivers of health insurance in the state. One is implementation of the Affordable Care Act, and the second is the price of pharmaceutical drugs.
The FDA approved 45 new drugs in 2015. One new cystic fibrosis treatment costs $259,000 a year. A panel of legislators and healthcare professionals met in Springfield Tuesday to assess the costs and values of pharmaceutical drugs. Competition in the marketplace does help reduce the cost of medication, but developing a new drug is still incredibly expensive. On average, it takes nearly 10 years and costs $2.6 billion to develop a new drug. Peter Reinhardt worked in the biopharmaceutical industry and said it takes years to gain FDA approval.
That in part explains why, when you do have a therapeutic product that actually makes it onto the market, it ends up being expensive because you're looking at the end product of more than 14 years of work on just that program and 9 others like it that failed.
The Joint Committee on Healthcare Financing in Massachusetts is considering a bill to promote transparency and cost control of pharmaceutical drug prices.
There'll be some expectation that the public will understand how much money was really invested in bench research versus how much was spent on advertising.
State Senator James Welch said their goal is to find common ground that could lead to a new policy. Live in the studio, Tamara Zakarzik, 22 News.